What is mutual stay-away order in Illinois divorce? Divorce can be chaotic, and fear of violence or harassment often adds to the turmoil. The law office of Russell D. Knight notes that, after abuse or harassment, a spouse may seek an order of protection to keep the other party away from their home, work, or school. Violating such an order is a Class A misdemeanor with potential jail time. Because mutual orders of protection are prohibited and criminal proceedings can be disruptive, attorneys sometimes recommend a mutual stay-away order instead. A mutual stay-away order is an agreement between divorcing spouses that sets boundaries and keeps them apart. There is no statute authorizing it, it exists only when both parties agree. The agreement can mirror an order of protection by barring harassment, physical contact, interference with liberty, stalking, verbal or physical abuse, and threats, and may include exclusive possession of a home or a firearm prohibition. Unlike a protective order, which carries criminal penalties, any alleged violation of a mutual stay-away order is reported to the divorce judge rather than the police. This structure lets parents continue working together, arrange child exchanges, and avoid turning chance encounters into crimes. Couples often choose a mutual stay-away order when one spouse threatens to file a petition for an order of protection. Negotiating rather than litigating gives each person more control and avoids immediate arrest or a criminal record. Divorce lawyer Russell D. Knight observes that courts sometimes prefer to restrain both parties in volatile relationships where it takes two to tango. Even though it is voluntary, a mutual stay-away order is still a court order. If one spouse alleges a breach, the matter returns to the same judge who issued it. The non-violating party may seek enforcement or a rule to show cause. Judges often favor the latter because it carries consequences for non-compliance. Sanctions for indirect civil contempt can include stricter terms and payment of the other party's attorney's fees. Only extreme behavior results in criminal contempt and potential imprisonment, and a serious violation may prompt the filing of a new order of protection. When spouses cannot agree, one may seek a civil restraining order. This one-sided remedy is granted only when the petitioner shows a clearly ascertainable right needing protection, irreparable harm without relief, no adequate remedy at law, and a likelihood of success on the merits. A civil restraining order does not create a criminal record or bar firearm possession. It offers fewer remedies and cannot replace an order of protection once abuse is proven. Illinois law requires a plenary protective order in that situation. Attorney Russell D. Knight is a Chicago divorce lawyer with hundreds of published articles and advanced trial training. His law firm explains that mutual stay-away orders can help spouses avoid criminal proceedings while setting clear boundaries. A knowledgeable attorney can review your circumstances and advise whether to seek a protective order, negotiate a mutual stay-away order, or request a civil restraining order. The law office of Russell D. Knight is located at 1165 North Clark Street, number 700, Chicago, Illinois, 60610, and can be reached at 773-334-6311. Contacting their law firm to speak with an attorney can help ensure you and your family remain safe during an Illinois divorce.